Welcome to Dealville, the place for local daily deals that will save you money and boost your fun life. So, what makes Dealville different from the other deal touting companies out there? Well, a few things really. Number one, we bring you deals at up to 90% savings. We also feature exciting local daily deals from merchants in your area. Number two, our deals are local deals. And that means you get exciting deals from restaurants and retail stores you already know and appreciate. Number three, we're part of the community and we love to give back. Every month, with your help, Dealville will give 10% of that month's revenue to help meet a need in your local area. Are you ready to get started? It's easy. Head on over to Dealville.com right now and register for great daily deals from your local area. After you get signed up, you can even personalize your Dealville experience and tell us how you'd like to get your deal notifications. Start getting super fun daily deals from Dealville today. See you there.